Hello everyone. We are still discussing modeling of the economy, and this is part 2. Remember, on the first graph, we only looked at the interactions of the households and the firms. Now we are going to look at the leakages and injections that take place in the economy. When we look at figure 3.2, we can actually see that an economy consists of three sectors, which are financial sector, public sector, and foreign sector. And when we take a close look, we can tell that in each sector there is something unique that's happening. Let us not waste time. Let's go into it. In the financial sector, we can now see that our household won't spend their entire income. They will decide to save some of the income with financial intermediaries. Then these financial intermediaries will take that money and inject it back to the economy in the form of investments. Then when we go to the public sector, we can see that our households also have to pay taxes. Then the government will collect those taxes and spend the money back in the economy. Then when we go to the foreign sector, we can also see that we are not only interested in local goods or services, we also want to buy things that are produced by other countries, which is why we now have imports, right? And then we can also see that our firms are not only selling to us, they also sell to other people who stay in other countries, which is why each and every country there are goods that are being exported. So, according to this model, all leakages will be matched by an equal amount of injection, which is going to give us S plus T plus Z. Now, when we look at this side, this is the leakages side, right? That is going to be equals I plus G plus X. And this is the injections side. So on this side, these are your leakages, right? And then on this side, these are your injections. Now, what this graph is actually saying to us is that all of these leakages will be matched by an equal amount of injections, right? We can then rewrite the equation because we want to equate the sectors, right? So the new equation that we're going to get there is going to be S minus I plus T minus G plus Z minus I, and this entire thing is going to be 0. This equation is then showing us that all of the imbalances will cancel out. So an imbalance in one sector will influence the other sectors.